When we had discussed the write operation, we also covered delete operation in it. And as you know, delete operation basically marks a document as deleted in Elasticsearch, and later on when Elasticsearch runs cleanup jobs, it will delete that document from the index. But it will immediately be unavailable for any searches or any queries you give it to. So let's try to delete a document which we just added. Okay, so let's bring the terminal and we'll go to exercise 3. Here you have a document delete doc. Let's open this. So here you can see the difference in the command. We are sending a delete command to Elasticsearch and we are asking us to delete document 2 from subject and class. Okay, let's see, and we want a response in pretty format. So let's run this. Before we run it, let me show you how many documents are there. Let's bring the head plugin, refresh it, and we can see that it has 2 documents. Okay, and let's try this command now. Alright, so delete. Okay, so response found equal to true. It means it could locate document with ID 2 in index class and type subject. The ID of document is 2 and its version is incremented. So basically it's saying it could found the document, it has deleted the document with ID 2 from subject and class. Okay, and the version is incremented to 2. Okay, so you might wonder, if the document is deleted, why the version is incrementing. So Elasticsearch always increments the versions whenever any change happens, including delete on any document. Okay, so let's see if we can find this document. Let's try this in curl first. Okay, let's try to read this document. Now what should happen now? You're right, yeah, we should get a found false. As we expected, so this document is not existing and it is coming as false. Alright, so let's also check this in head. This count should be reduced to 1. Okay, so it is working as we expected. Alright, so try it out. Okay, add few documents and try to delete something which is not there and see what happens. I see you in the next class.